The Honor Magic V2 is the thinnest foldable phone yet. The Honor Magic V2 is Honor's third foldable device, and it aims to set a new benchmark for foldable designs. When folded, it measures just 9.9mm thick, making it the thinnest foldable phone on the market. It's also very lightweight at only 231 grams. It features an innovative new titanium hinge, which is rated for 400,000 folds. It feels solid and smooth to open as well. The infamous crease at the center of the main screen is also subtle and not distracting in use. Unfolding the Magic V2 reveals a large 7.9-inch internal display. Both this and the outer 6.4-inch screen have high refresh rates of 120Hz and high resolutions for sharp and smooth visuals. The displays also use Honor's dynamic dimming technology for enhanced eye comfort. Under the hood, the Magic V2 packs a powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip along with up to 16GB of RAM and 1TB of storage. This ensures top-of-the-line performance for both day-to-day tasks and intensive applications. Its triple rear camera system is promising for foldable, with a 50MP main sensor, a 50MP ultra-wide, and a 20MP telephoto lens offering 2.5x optical zoom. The 16MP selfie cameras on both screens also take decent quality shots. In terms of video capabilities, the Honor Magic V2 is able to capture footage up to 4K resolution at 60 frames per second, which provides smooth, high-quality video recording. It also has several advanced video modes to suit different needs. One of these is lock mode, which captures flat, uncompressed video with greater dynamic range. This allows content creators more flexibility when color grading and editing their videos in post-production. There's also a dedicated movie mode that optimizes settings for cinematic video shooting. It applies techniques like adjusting color temperature and contrast for a more film-like look. With this mode, you get access to features like a manual focus peaking display and adjustable audio levels. Meanwhile, the wide variety of focal lengths from the triple lens setup provides a lot of creative control. Vloggers in particular will appreciate having the ultra-wide and telephoto options. With a large 5000 mAh dual battery inside its slim body, the Magic V2 promises all-day battery life. It also supports 66W fast charging to top it up quickly when needed. For a foldable phone, the Magic V2's compact and portable dimensions are simply unrivaled. Its thin, lightweight design feels premium and is a major step forward from earlier folding phones. It is pretty pricey, retailing at Sing dollars 1,999, but it's definitely unique.